prepared. It's ready to go, and a lot better. Look at that, took all that gunk off there. It'll be clean mating surfaces with a new fresh slate. That's what we're shooting for. This cleaner is really impressive. Alright. We'll give it a couple more runs, but you get the point. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.